Hi, it's Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. So I hope you've enjoyed the footage that you've seen so far in this vlog. A little bit of the garden. I went out to feed the birds, the first thing I do virtually every day, no matter the weather. The sky was a bit cloudy, overcast, it's strange weather, it's hot at times, but it's also thundery, it's wet. It's typical Scotland in some ways, all the seasons in one day, albeit we've not had snow or hail, but you know, the way this weather's going, we could get anything. Anyway, the next thing you saw was me creating this double page spread. I have just included bits of it, and as I did last week, I'm going to put more of the process in a separate video, and that should be up by now, so I will put a link to that below and at the end of this video. This is me working in my sketchbook journal. At the very start, I showed what this said. Somebody said on Instagram that they were pleased that I showed a close-up because they couldn't actually read what the found words said. So it's this vessel, after poignant emotions, appeared. I love found words. They seem to jump out at me and will very often express how I'm feeling at this time. So I am seeing this sketchbook as a vessel for capturing, you know, a number of different things. And there go my paints falling off my table. As last week went on, my workspace got smaller and smaller and smaller. So after this, I'm off to do a little bit of tidying up. My paint water has sat for a full week. I'm annoyed at myself because I left one of my better brushes sitting in water overnight a couple of times, so I'm going to do a bit of a tidy up. I've got to go away today I got to go away overnight, so I'll be away for most of today, Sunday, and a good part of Monday. But I've been keeping up with my daily sketchbook practice. I'm still not going to show you through it all yet, but I did want to show you me doing something in it. So that's probably enough rambling for now. As I say, I'm going to tidy up, and I hope to jump back in at some point during this week and show you what else I'm working on, or in some instances, what I'm kind of reflecting on. I do want to say thank you for all your comments on my vlog last week, which for me just went live yesterday. The comments you have left are so encouraging, and I'm really taking heart from them. So thank you. I feel like I'm in some sort of creative recovery, not recovering from being creative, but trying to recover my kind of true self in terms of my art. So I might try and unpack that statement a bit more in future. We'll see. But as I say, thank you so much for all your comments of encouragement and support. So, calling it a day for today, and then we'll see what comes later in the week, but definitely a tidy up now. So, see you later. So, it's 4 o'clock on Friday, so I'm now going to start to bring this video to a close so that I can get it edited and get it up for Saturday. I thought I'd do some more filming during the week. Didn't really get round to it, but I have worked every day in my sketchbook. I'm really quite pleased with the fact that I've showed up every day to do something in here. I've not done today's yet. That's because I started to work on something else that I'll insert a little bit of footage of now. It's not finished, but I'll let you see that now. this is where I've got to with that. Now, interestingly, I worked on the back of this, and I'm amazed at how the colours, I used a different supply, completely different supply, and yet the colours are so like my journal cover. And that was using Inktense blocks on both sides. So I am going to work on this later today and finish this off. So this will be in my video come Wednesday. You know, I'll do the whole process, accelerated. I may cut little bits out because I don't know quite how long it is. But this has been a nice kind of meditative process, as I hope the next bit of it will be as well, when I kind of bring it to a conclusion. I'm not yet sure if I'm going to leave it as one piece, so it's a long piece, or if I might even fold it into a kind of concertina journal. I will decide that once I've kind of finished working on it. So thanks again to everybody that's left comments. I've been reading them all. I've replied to a lot of them. I'm going to try and get the rest of them done this evening, reply to them. Very grateful for all your kind words. It does mean the world to me. If you didn't see my Wednesday video past, do go back and watch that, please. You know, if you want to see me doing a couple of the pages in this sketchbook. So I will leave the link to that below and at the very end of the video. And as I say, this will be coming up hopefully on Wednesday if I get this finished and get it all edited. So all that remains is for me to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. So please do take care, have a good week, and hope to see you next time. Bye for now.